Hello everybody. Above the basement of the firehouse we are going to assemble the first floor. The floor consists of two pieces, with very detailed reliefs. We will join the two pieces with open lock clips and glue. I recommend gluing the two pieces together to make this base very stable. The floor fits perfectly in the interior space of the sidewalk, and leaves the access space to the basement staircase. The pieces of the walls have all the constructive elements. The exterior stone faces, brick in the back zone. In the zone of the alley we have a more irregular brick. The inner face has a tile finish, similar to the real one. We are going to place the rear door, the unfolded frame and its door. The door can be glued with an acetate in the middle simulating glass. It is placed on the axes of the frame and we slide the assembly into position. We would glue the back wall in its anchorages and check that the door swings inward. From the rear wall begins a large ventilation pipe. On the west face we will mount the Varick Street door. We slide the frame and door into its wall track. We glue the wall to the floor and check the door opening. This is the famous two-flight staircase. We place the next level of the wall. The ventilation pipe continues. Next to it, we have to install a window. We can fold the window with our thin acetate. And now we can glue the whole assembly to the lower piece. One more piece of the elevation at this level. We will place its two windows. And glue it on top of the lower level. Back to our staircase. Let's glue the four handrails. Better with very little glue. We already have the complete ladder. We place it on its anchors. It doesn't need glue. These are the interior iron columns. They offer a great personality to the interior architecture. We will glue the four to their anchors, on the floor. The three drop bars have also been printed unfolded. I will tape them shut and place them in their positions. This partition supports the main doors of the firehouse. The door to the entrance storage room. And the other door to the left. This is where the large main carriage door is located. The two leaves of the large door will fit into this frame, which in turn contain the passage doors for people. We place the small door on its axis. We will glue the large door on the small one, reserving the turning axes. We place the two large doors in their position and glue the frame, allowing the two doors to pivot. The large door should open outward and the small one inwards in the opposite direction. The whole assembly will be glued to the front partition. We can now assemble the partition to its anchors in the floor and exterior walls. These doors open outwards to allow the exit of the ecto-truck, and the small doors allow ghost hunters to pass through. The two interior doors will open into the storerooms. The piece with the front frame of the firehouse, printed horizontally to achieve maximum quality in its details. It highlights the central shield, the 4 stars, and the text, 8 Hook and Ladder Company 8. At the top center, there is a hole for the insertion of flagpoles, posters, or illuminated signs. If you use glue in the hole in the wall, the sign will be perfectly horizontal. We will now place the last wall of this level. Slide its window in the center. And we place this other window in the center of the facade. At the end, we will glue the wall on its anchors. We will glue the anchors to the upper holes. This printed model has a scale of 20 millimeters, but it has a large interior space to place many characters. These minis have a scale of 28 millimeters. In the next video, we will assemble the second floor. Thanks to all of you for your great support. See you at Ghost Hunters Firehouse.